சுவாமியே சத்தியமாய வலுவதற்காம் படிகளே சத்தியமாய வலுவதற்காம் படிக்கதிபரே
The most important thing is the ghee. That is the first thing that we are going to do. So the ghee will be poured inside the coconut. I will show how it needs to be done. So, extra. So first one is the ghee. So, for whatever reason you undertook your brother, when you're pouring the ghee, you need to say Swamiye Saranamayappa, Swamiye Saranamayappa. You need to think whatever you wanted to get out of this brother. When you're pouring the ghee, this ghee is going to be Abhishekam by Lord Ayyappa. So you need to put all your prayers into it and increase the power of the ghee. Okay? So we are going to do that. I'll tell exactly how we are going to do it. Now the Irumudi is two parts, the Munmudi and the Pinmudi. Right? So the Munmudi is where we will keep the Abhishekam items, and the Pinmudi is usually where we keep all the things that are needed for the Padayatra. But today we are not going for a big Padayatra, so we don't need any cooking items in the Pinmudi. So to balance the weight, what we are going to do is, in the Munmudi we are going to keep the coconut, and the rest of the items we are going to keep in the Pinmudi. So you should have a plastic Ziploc bag in which you have all the items. Keep that intact. We are going to keep the entire thing in the back of the Irumudi, and then we are going to keep the milk also in the back of the Irumudi. So that will balance the weight. So we will start with pouring the ghee into the Mudra coconut. Okay, after that is done, you have a small Ziploc, a sandwich Ziploc bag you should have. So you should have the coconut, and the women folk should walk around. We have rice here. Just put a little bit of rice for each of the Ayyappas. So this is a rice that is carried through Sabarimala all the way through. So we are going to after we finish the ghee, we are going to do the rice one, and then we will put all the remaining items into the Pinmudi. You should also have a coin, a $1 coin. So that coin you should keep it very carefully inside the Irumudi. That is called the Kuladaivam Kanikai. For most people, Ayyappa is not Kuladaivam. Shiva is Vishnu. After they have gone into the Padayatra, you need to take Swamiye. You need to take the Irumudi. You need to take the coin and go put it in the temple. Okay? Now, let me tell the procession, which is very important. After we have finished assembling the Vibhuti, we are going to put the name tags on each of them, because we need to do the Irumudi Puja. We are going to take it in front of Lord Ayyappa.
Who's doing it for the first time?
We are going to do the Irumudi Puja, and then from there we are going to do a Pradakshanam inside the temple. The weather is very nice, so we are going to go around the temple and then come back. Before entering the temple, we need to come here, we need to break the coconut. So when we climb the 18 steps, we break the coconut and then we can climb the 18 steps. So we're going to break the coconut. So before you leave this place, you should have a coconut in the hand. You'll have volunteers give you a coconut. And then you continue and enter the front of the temple. Front of the temple, and come back here and sit down in the same spot, wherever you finish. And then we will disassemble from there. Okay? So we're going to start with the key right now. So let me just quickly show how the key is done. Ayyappa